Hello everyone, this is ADG Insights. In our lives, we see a lot of things, and at most of the times, we tend to think that we actually possess them, or in a way, we are their owners. But do we really own them? At most of the times, it's just an illusion that people tend to have, and they get so attached to those that it becomes a really hard decision for them to be able to come out of it. So it seems much better to acknowledge those things which are actually a treasure to human being, rather wasting time on things which never belong to them. So in this video, I'm going to try to show the things that are actually yours. Firstly, your shadow. Your shadow is the most loyal friend that you can ever have in your lifetime. But the most important thing that you must do to keep your shadow with you is that you have to free yourself from darkness. A shadow will be with you only when you will remain in light. So always block any dark energy coming your way and keep your most valued best friend for eternity. Secondly, your mind. It is the most powerful thing that you possess. A person's mind is believed to have such enormous power that it can manifest anything that one desires. So it's always important to fill your mind with good thoughts and positive vibes, as it will help in making your life a pleasant place to live in. Thirdly, your health and posture. Your body is the physical boundary or the form in which you are living in this world. So it's always your responsibility to take good care of your health. The world in which we are living in is really beautiful and amazing, and the only way you can enjoy and travel in this beautiful world is by having a strong and a healthy body. So always try to maintain a good body in your life. Fourthly, your soul. It is the most important entity that you possess. It is the inner you or your inner self that at most of the times one tends to forget. Now the question is, how to take care of our soul when we can't even see it? We can definitely do so by indulging in good and noble activities. Even serving the ones in trouble is a way in which we can clean our soul. Cleaning our soul is really very important, as there may be times when we do certain unwanted things which adds a little bit dirt to our soul, and it becomes really essential to clean our soul in those times. Now if you want to know ways of keeping a proper soul, you can comment to me in the comment box below. Finally, our actions. All the things that we do keeps on getting recorded, and this is the only reason that we must always check what we do, as our personality is nothing but the actions that we do in our lifetime. So always keep doing good things and turn your life into a living legend of this century. So these are some of the things that are actually yours. If you like the content, please do share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading more such videos in the coming future. Thank you.